Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking about a very useful property called text indent. Text indent is a CSS property that sets the indentation of the first line of text in a block element. This can be really handy when you want to create a clean, polished look for your website's text. Let's get started. Following along from the previous videos, you should already have the index.html file set up to point to an external CSS file. From here, we're going to clear out the code inside the body tags. If you do not already have this set up, pause the video and take a moment to add this code to your index.html file, as well as creating a separate file called styles.css inside a CSS folder. I've also included links in the description where you can find the code to get you started. Open Live Server if you don't already have it open. First, in the index.html file, let's add an h1 heading and a lengthy paragraph. So for the h1 heading, I'm going to say text indent. Then I'm going to actually copy and paste the paragraph in because it's actually rather lengthy. If you want to type this in, pause the video and take a moment to do that, or you can copy and paste it from the links in the description. Over in the styles.css file, I'm going to get rid of some of the styles from the previous video, keeping only the h1 and body styles. If you don't already have it, pause the video and take a moment to add these styles to the body and the h1 element. Now let's style the paragraph. Here I'm going to give it a text indent of 50 pixels. Go ahead and try different values and units to see what happens. Another great thing about text indent is that it works with all kinds of text, from paragraphs to lists. So no matter what kind of content you're working with, text indent is a great tool to have in your CSS toolkit. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the description for additional resources. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.